Welcome back. I am your Azur. Today in this video I am gonna talk about some cats who can run very fast than normal cats. Let's start. The 8th place goes to Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat normally runs in a normal speed. Let's move to the next. The 7th place goes to Siamese Cat. This cat can run well and its face is almost black in color. If we move on to the 6th place, it's Manx Cat. It's fat but it can run hard. The 5th place goes to Savannah Cat. This cat actually looks like a leopard and can run well. Let's see the 4th place. Bengal cat. Many people know Bengal cats well, so Bengal cats are famous and popular in the whole world. Somali cat have taken the 3rd place. It looks like a Persian cat, but can run faster than a Persian cat. And Abyssinian cat is the second fastest cat in the world. And the first place goes to Egyptian Mau. This cat is the fastest cat in the whole world. If you all find these facts useful, please subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts.